Hey YouTube, it's Krystal. Welcome back to my channel, Bimmy Beauty. In this video, I am going to be comparing magnetic eyelashes with regular mascara. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be putting mascara and eyeliner on this eye, and I'm going to be putting magnetic eyelashes on this eye, and we're going to compare to see what is the difference when using these two different beauty products. So let's start with the mascara. For this eye, I'm going to be using Maybelline New York Master Precise by Eye Studio eyeliner. It's just a regular eyeliner in black, and let's start by eyelining my eye. It's a felt tip, which is really nice. I really like felt tip eyeliners. I feel like you get a little bit more control and a more accurate line. All right. For my mascara, I am using Clinique High Impact Mascara in color number 1 black. Naturally, I have, as you can see, extremely small, tiny eyelashes. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So this is coat number 2. All right. So we have mascara on. Now for the magnetic eyelashes, I'm going to be using my product, Bimmy Beauty. This is our package right here. It is a magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit. Our product is sold exclusively on Amazon.com. I'm going to leave the link to the listing down below in the description box. In each kit, you get 2 magnetic eyeliners, 5 different eyelash sets, and a lash applicator. So because I want to do a fair comparison, from the kit, I'm going to use the most natural looking magnetic eyelash, which is Venus, and we are going to start. So this is the magnetic eyeliner. I'm just going to shake it for about 5 seconds. All right. Clean it off a little bit. And now I'm going to line my eye. When you're doing this, make sure you cover the whole eye line. That looks good. Now I'm going to use my lash applicator, grab my eyelash, grab my eyelash, and we're gonna put it on. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Boom. And you know what? I usually put a little bit of mascara on my natural lash before applying it, but let's not do that. Let's just do regular. Now I use my eyelash curler. Boom. The reason why I usually put mascara on is because, as you can see down here, it's a little bit brown. But anyways, let's compare. So this is mascara look. Mascara. This is falsies look. Falsies with magnetic eyelash look. Which one do you guys like? Just to even it out, because it will drive me crazy, I'm gonna I don't do this after, I always do this before. Okay, perfect. Just because like I have like light brown eyelashes underneath. Okay, so yeah, this is the difference, guys. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer just a little bit of mascara and eyeliner, or do you prefer falsies? For me personally, I prefer the magnetic eyelash look, the falsies, because like it makes my eyes stand out more. It makes my eyes look more attractive, and I don't have to like I just don't have to settle for this small basic look when I can get this. But you know, if you've never had magnetic eyelashes, it is something that takes time to get used to. Up close, you could totally see the difference. But like if you're just like walking around, at least with this, you could still see it. Like here, it looks like I almost have nothing on. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one you prefer. Let me know if you've ever tried our magnetic eyelash kits. And yeah, that's the look. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on our products.